Hello beautiful souls, this is JuneB and welcome to the Affirmation series. The way to let these affirmations work well is you can either repeat them or you can listen to them and let these affirmations wash over you with love and healing. What we will learn today is not only how to say these affirmations, also what comes up for us as we repeat these and think about how we feel while saying them. We are retraining our brains with positivity each day and allowing the negative thought patterns to take a rest and flood our system with joy and happiness. How often have you tried to start over again and failed? Repeating these affirmations at a time when you feel like you are slipping back into old patterns will allow you to take control and ground yourself in a positive outlook. So get comfortable. Relax. You can close your eyes or leave them open. The choice is up to you. And let's begin. Affirmations for Anxiety. I have everything I need for a happy life. I have everything I need for a happy life. I am capable of solving any problems that face me. I am capable of solving any problems that face me. The feelings of panic are leaving my body. The feelings of panic are leaving my body. I have the ability to overcome anxiety. I have the ability to overcome anxiety. I am freeing myself from stress. I am freeing myself from stress. I am free of anything that weighs me down. I am free of anything that weighs me down. I am relaxing each part of my body. I am relaxing each part of my body. I am now in control. I am now in control. My body is calm. My body is calm. I will get through today. I will get through today. I welcome a sense of calm into my life. I welcome a sense of calm into my life. I am giving myself permission to feel this way without judgment. I am giving myself permission to feel this way without judgment. It's okay. Everything will be fine. It's okay. Everything will be fine. I am brave. I am brave. I am opening my soul to peace. I am opening my soul to peace. I am in control of my day. I am in control of my day. I can do this. I can do this. I am cool, calm, and collected. I am cool, calm, and collected. I am trying my best, and that is enough. I am trying my best, and that is enough. I am working out any and all situations. I am working out any and all situations. I am feeling relaxed. I am feeling relaxed. I am breathing slowly. I am breathing slowly. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. I am safe. I am safe. My life is very simple. My life is very simple. I got this. I got this. Everything is under my control. Everything is under my control. I am overcoming any obstacles. I am overcoming any obstacles. I am supported. I am supported. Harmony and peace surround me. Harmony and peace surround me. Nothing can disrupt my peace in this moment. Nothing can disrupt my peace in this moment. I am feeling light and calm. I am feeling light and calm. I am capable of handling anything. I am capable of handling anything. I know that problems are temporary. I know that problems are temporary. Me and only me can achieve my inner peace. Me and only me can achieve my inner peace. Wherever I go, I carry peace with me. Wherever I go, I carry peace with me. I give myself permission to remove stress from my life. I give myself permission to remove stress from my life. Inner peace is my goal. Inner peace is my goal. Inner peace is my goal. I attract peaceful and calm people into my life. I attract peaceful and calm people into my life. I feel deeply calm and relaxed. I feel deeply calm and relaxed. My life revolves around tranquility. My life revolves around tranquility. All is well in my world. All is well in my world. As you slowly let these affirmations sink in, take a deep breath and give yourself a hug, knowing that all is well in your world. Now take some time to reflect on how you feel. Use your journal and think about how any of these affirmations made you reflect and what are the ones you may need to work on. Try to think about the affirmations that brought you joy and resonated deeply with you. Also, the affirmations that triggered you. Examine the reason why. Listen to these in the background when you are working, cooking, tidying up, walking, and even driving. Allow your subconscious to take in what it needs and let go of the rest. The more you listen, the more these affirmations become a part of your thinking and therefore begin to manifest themselves in your life. And so it is. See you again for another in this series of affirmations.